All right, here we are, 410 Eagle Street in Isanti. So this is another home built by Semler Construction. It is the Virginia, which is a split entry home. Again, first thing you'll notice is a large, wide open foyer. And a closet in the foyer, which is nice. Again, large open floor plan, kitchen, living room, dining room, really good sized pantry in this one. Lot of large windows, a lot of natural light, which is nice. And down the hallway, we're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So, here's the first bedroom. Second bath, which is a full bath. Second bedroom. And the owner's suite. A good sized walk-in closet. And an owner's bath, 3/4. Kind of a luxury vinyl plank flooring that's kind of a gray with a little bit of a wood color to it. Gray countertops. Beautiful backyard. And then the lower level is unfinished. And presents plenty of space back here. Probably a couple bedrooms, another bathroom, potential for a full bath, mechanicals and laundry, and probably, some more room for a family room. It's Virginia, built by Semler Construction. We're out in Legacy Pines of Isanti.